monkeys in space. They try to be heroes, but they're easy to replace. They're not the brightest, they're not the best, they're not the coolest, they also have their friend. Rockin' monkeys, rockin' monkeys, rockin' monkeys. Give them permission, they'll do their best. But best is relative, don't you forget. Rockin' monkeys.
The monkeys!
Go get it, Inky! Fetchy, sticky, bringy, backy!
Good job, Inky.
Oh, my. Ugh, Chimpsky out.
Hey, we're out of sticks.
Sorry, Inky. No more fetch.
Unless...
Gentlemen, don't even think about it. Hey, gentlemen, not the head. It's the most important part of me.
Go long, Inky.
You know, I never get a moment to myself. It's actually quite nice. It's a bit sadness, though, because once you're by yourself with your thoughts, it's more depressing.
Ink Dude, that was amazing.
Sorry, Gus. He's too busy hugging his favorite monkey.
Wally, I think you should be aware that I'm Inky's favorite monkey.
Liar! Take that.
Oh, not that I want to interrupt your monkey slappy fight, but floating off into space here, cranial drift.
Interesting, Slow-Mo. You see that handsome devil?
Oh. Well, if it isn't that two-timing Gigabot. He said he'd call, but he never did.
Not the robot, you fool! The good-looking chap with the tentacles. Looks just like me, but with no clothes on.
Processing mental image of you naked.
Wait! Methinks I just came up with a genius plan!
Thanks for the fetch, Inky. Oh, thank you. Maybe less help is required.
I'm not seeing the resemblance.
The word you're looking for is identical. By the goiter of Gagnon, I'll take this squid's place, commandeer the monkey ship, escape, and finally have my revenge. They're all yours. Reverse polarity! Nefarious, you are a genius.
Hey, Wally, can you pass me a cup of Inky Likes Me More?
Oh, sorry, I couldn't hear you because I have 2,000 pounds of Inky Loves Me More wax in my ears.
Oh, yeah? Well, maybe I'll put on my Inky Loves Me pants and put on my Inky Loves Me shirt and then try and find some shoes that match that say Inky Loves Gus.
Well, your Inky Loves You pants are gonna fall down unless you have your Inky Loves Wally More belt, which I'm wearing because Inky loves me more. Inky's home! Inky! Hey,
here.
Inky! Hey,
Come on,
here, buddy.
I'm right here,
Over
buddy.
here, Inky.
Come on over to your
Hey,
favorite.
over here.
I'm your
the
favorite
Wally.
monkey. Come on over. We need an answer. Who do you love more, me or totally unlovable Wally?
Go on, Inky. Make Gus cry like an ugly old little monkey baby.
Spit it out. Who do you love more? Spit, spit, spit.
I think it looks like me.
Are you kidding? That chunk of corn is obviously me.
There's only one way to settle this, Inky Love-Off.
Oh, you're so adorable. I bet you would never break a robo heart. No, you wouldn't. No, you wouldn't.
I meant to call you, seriously. I just forgot the number, that's it, right? Was it like 226 94 6000 extension 218, right?
It's 7.
Oh, 7, really?
I thought I'd never escape from those monkeys. Focus, Nefarious. Get back to your evil plans.
Hey, a friend who loves me more than Wally. I've got treats for you. It's the cilantro, isn't it?
Poopy time! Drop a blot. Would it help if I go first? Okay, your turn.
What a squid sack of beef stuff.
Relax, Inky. It's Betty Bye time.
But first, a sweet, sweet lullaby. Go to sleep, go to sleep. Go to la la la. Go to sleep, go to sleep.
Don't listen to me.
Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep,
Enough! I can't take it anymore!
You can talk?
It's an Inky miracle.
After all these years.
But how?
It was the miracle of love that made me speak. Sure, let's go with that one.
I'll bet it was my love, right? Not smelly come out of your butt, Gus Love.
Not a slimy piece of rotting old meat. Dinky, stinky, finky, linky, Wally love.
Stop it! Take it! Stop
Damn it! Fine. You, the somewhat slightly less annoying one. What's your name?
Gus!
Yes, Gus. I love you more.
Devastation! I can't believe Inky likes Gus more than me. Gus is so gussy.
What is the problem with that monkey? Doesn't he know how to drive a spaceship? And why is it getting so hot in here?
Oh, you know crybaby Wally. When he gets upset, he usually ends up steering us into a supernova.
He does what? Are you crazy?
Crazy with sadness. How can you like Gus more than me?
Fine, you, whatever your name is.
Wally.
Sure, Wally. I like you best.
I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! I knew it in my brain, with my brain that I think with, and that's where I knew it. Oh, yeah. Attention, Gus! I am Wally, and now Inky's favorite monkey. Right?
Yes, it's true. Devastation! What?
You mean sour grapes, Gus? When he gets upset, his brain shuts off and he pilots us into a black hole.
He'll kill us all!
That's for sure. Kisses! Get out of my mouth.
And my wiring?
Copper that glitters like 100 cents.
And you're not lying when you say you want to transfer data together?
I've got the 3G plan just for you, if you know what I mean. So about my monkeys, really.
Not yet. How do you feel about baby bots? What about taking out the garbage, emptying the dishwasher, cleaning the toilet, massaging my wires, watching romantic comedies?
I'm never getting off this asteroid, am I?
No, wait! I like Gus best!
Devastation!
No! Wally! Devastation!
Devastation!
I am taking over this ship!
Someone needs a nappy nap.
Seriously.
Freedom will be mine!
What?
Oh, nuts.
Oh no! Wally! Look!
But Inky needs his head. Wait a sec. Never mind.
Hold the phone. It was Nefarious all along!
Nice one, monkeys. Anywho, slow-mo, it's been a slice, huh? Let's keep in touch for sure. Come on, monkeys, let's go.
Just hold it a monkey minute. No one's leaving this asteroid until I get some answers to some pretty serious questions. Who's your favorite annoying monkey, me or super unannoying Wally?
I'm way more annoying than Gus.
I wrote the book on annoying.
I recorded the audiobook of the annoying book you wrote.
I translated your audiobook into French.
Je m'appelle annoying avec la.
Here's some annoying for you.
Dribbly drooler, let's move it, Grandpa.
Sheesh, what's with all this traffic?
Try pushing the get out of the way button.
You know you could just fly around it, huh?
Don't tell us how to do our jobs. I say we blow it up.
Don't tell me how to do my... Wait, good idea.
Commence slow motion red blinky button push.
Push it, 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 push it.
Wait a monkey minute. That ship appears to be an early model BCWX gassy rocket. They were decommissioned years ago, gentlemen. Gassy protocol says we must investigate.
Thanks, Boro.
Oh, look at that. Perfectly preserved. Observe the patina, gentlemen. If memory serves correct, they call that color deep space gray.
Ooh, look. Old stuff.
Wow.
Okay, go stand over there, pretending to eat that petrified banana. I love it. Come on, one last one in front of that block of ice. And this one, you're like explorers, okay? Say monkey feet.
Monkey feet.
Excellent shot. This one's definitely going on my blog. Wait a sec. It appears there is something frozen inside the ice block.
Oh, wait. It's just a frozen monkey.
Snorri Bori.
Wait a second. Oh, my boards! Can it be?
What is it?
The suspense is boring us even more.
This monkey is...
Your father. Papa! I knew you'd come back for us. What? Why do I always kiss with my tongue?
Happy, it's you. Just like the story our mom always told us.
Your father was the bravest, most dashing rocket monkey ever. But one day, he was sent out on a routine mission to the fire planet of Explosia 13 and mysteriously disappeared.
So tragic. So unexplained.
So, who wants to meet their new dad?
Wait for me, Meatball!
Dad, I can't believe it's you.
No time to waste, Wally. We've got some father-son bonding to do.
Way ahead of you, Whoa.
Monkey dad, the monkey son, taking time to have some monkey fun. Monkey son, the monkey dad, being happy for the time we had. You're the best dad the monkey had. You're the best dad the monkey ever had.
Good night, Wally.
Good night, Gus. Good night, Dad. Hey, Dad. Is it okay if I sleep with you tonight?
Don't be such a baby, Wally.
So happy. went before bed.
Yeah, and you went in the bed. Wait a second. It was Dad.
He really is like us. Yay, Dad!
I gotta hand it to Dad. He sure knows how to get his toss on. I made you breakfast, Wally.
Gentlemen,
What's with the accessorizing?
you kidding me? I'm in force field mode. After further observation, I've concluded that your father is not a sophisticated hockey monkey like you two gentlemen.
Hey, Gus, you hear that? We're sophisticated.
Your daddy is more of a monkey from the original Rocket Monkey program.
You saying our old man's old school?
Very, very, very old school. Note the monkey's poor posture and distinct lack of grooming. Well, I suppose the differences are somewhat subtle, actually. Your dad is just an irritating old monkey, but I will attempt to communicate with him. So the two of you grew up together and, oh yeah. No idea what he's saying.
Doesn't matter. He's our dad.
We should call Dr. Chimpsky. Ring-a-ding-dong.
You ring-a-ding-donged?
We've got a surprise for you.
Old school! Old school!
It's an original Rocket Monkey. He's old school.
Ugh, you found one of those? How horrible. The original Rocket Monkey program was an utter disaster. A total failure. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Old school rocket monkeys are totally untrainable. Completely. All they know how to do is throw poop and blow up rockets.
So can we keep him? Can we?
Enough! Heavens no! I can't allow that kind of chaos on the ship.
Crying makes Chimpsky cave.
I'm crying!
Must ignore. Crying can't cave. Repressed childhood issues. Fine, if you can retrain him. Mind you, an entire team of gassy scientists wasn't able to do it. But if you monkeys think you can, by all means.
Challenge accepted. Science is no match for family, right, Wally?
Right, Gus?
Let the retraining begin!
First lesson, proper poopy places. Now this is a perfect spot. Here, not so good. Lots of poop opportunities here, but never this one. You can do it on the ceiling as long as it stays. Okay, you can do it in my bed, because I do, but not in Gus's bed, but I do.
Now, in this lesson, we eat all classy-like with knife and fork. No, feet. Use your feet first.
Go on.
This is how we check for duds. Dud, dud. Now you try. He's ready.
Well, Rocket Monkeys, I hope you've had a successful training montage. I have every confidence that this will be a complete waste of time. Let the test begin now!
You heard Dr. Chimpsky. He has every confidence in you.
Just remember your training. Fleet. Use your fleet.
Dad! He's our dad! If he can't do it, no one's dad!
That was a close one.
Don't forget to flush.
Ah, impressive! This old school rocket monkey is so good, I'm going to assign him to your crew.
Finally, we can do this!
Hey, look at that. That is a good one.
Now you can be with us forever, Dad.
Wait a second here. Back up. Hold the phone. Hold the fort. Park the bus. Cease and desist. Did you just call him Dad? Did you?
Gotta go. Sorry, Dr. C. Mom's calling.
Hi, my little sugar beans! What's shaking?
Mother, may we present?
The newest member of our crew!
Da, 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 Dad!
Dad? Oh, that's not your father. This is your father. But he is a total cutie pants. Call me!
He's not our father!
What can I say? You all look the same to me.
Chips! He's just some gross old random monkey.
How could you break our hearts like that, not our dad?
What are we supposed to do with him now? I guess some relationships don't last forever. Funny old timer.
I wonder if he'll remember us.
I wouldn't hold your breath.
Don't tell us how to do our jobs!
Ooh, you bad boy. Oh, you! Stop it! No, go on. You silly boy.
The rocket monkeys, they're monkeys in space. They try to be heroes, but they're easy to replace. They're not the brightest and they're not the best. Okay, they're not the coolest and they have the stinky breath. Oh, you rocket monkeys, oh, you rocket monkeys, ooh, ooh, ooh. Give them a mission and they'll do their best. But best is relative, but don't you forget. Rockets, the monkeys.